travel with me to Mexico. Guess they do know where we're going.
Puerto Vallarta.
We're going to Puerto Vallarta. They sat in the wrong seats. Alright, here we are. John just skirted up the fence right there because Grandma's supposed to get us, but we can't text her. Hi, Grandma.
Hola.
I'm making a video of this.
Welcome to Mexico!
I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear this because it's kind of windy up here, but we just got to my grandparents' place here. They live literally right on the beach. Hold on, this is the view. This is their view. It's insane. So they live in this like collection of big condos, whatever. There's pools down there. And yeah, there's the ocean. We just like scarfed down some food because we haven't had an actual meal. And we are already dressed in swimsuits. We're gonna go down for a couple hours, maybe like 2 hours, because we have reservations later tonight. And I will kind of do a little walkthrough later of their place because it's so, I love it here so much. But this here is my couch on the balcony. I guess it's not mine, but this is where I'm gonna sleep. And it's honestly so comfortable. Way up there, at the very top, that's where I sleep. So now the boys are kicking a soccer ball, trying to see how far they can get it, and Dad marked off the yard, so, oh gosh, that one was wonky. That's 60 yards right there, and there's 70 yards.
Excuse me? Can we keep chips or not?
I've completely filled up on these chips. Look at my fajita and cheese. Oh my goodness. Wow, Grandma. Wow. Did you want to be featured, Ben?
Subscribe to Inverted Aviators RC on YouTube.
No.
Yes, I think they do the voting each week. I think they lost.
Good morning. In case you're wondering what I did last night, it was work on a video and upload it until literally 2:30 in the morning. And what time is it right now? Like 7:30. I'm really tired. We are going to mass this morning, so we have to be up. This is my little couch bed. And do you want to see my view? Look. Oh my goodness. Can you hear the ocean? It's just so pretty, and I can literally watch the sun rise and all the beautiful colors. Yeah, so we just went out to dinner last night at Fajita Republic. Then we came back and had some ice cream, and I literally spent the next 5 hours editing. So wow, Ben, you're so cool.
That's the new look for guys, apparently.
Today is day 2 and we're on the beach, and look at this. I don't even know what this is. It's like a umbrella-y sort of thing, but it's literally held up by the wind. In case you missed my video that I literally posted today, but last week, I did in fact get my period today. So, yay for late periods. Alright, we're this far in the ocean. Oh gosh. I mean, it's not cold, but it's not warm. All right, I'm gonna dunk before the next set of waves come. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was so nice.
Probably a penis.
Thanks, John. 11:30 p.m. right now. I don't know if you can hear the waves, but I'm on my little couch bed, and I'm obviously the last one awake because I always am. We didn't do a whole lot else today. After we were at the beach for a while, we hung out at the pool, which is kind of usually how we do it. We like go to the beach, then we kind of rinse off all the salt and the sand in the pool, go in the hot tub, and then we come up and shower and stuff for dinner. We just had dinner at my grandparents' place tonight, so it wasn't really anything to film. We had steak and pasta, which was so good. Those are two of my favorite things. I was just reminded of semester at sea and how I didn't have any service or data, and there were so many times when I was so grateful that I didn't have the ability to just scroll, and I was so removed from everything, and I was kind of forced to be very present. How I love that. And then anytime we were close enough to land where I got service, I almost didn't like it because I didn't want to have that ability to go online. I wanted to be forced to not be on it. I decided not to like buy any data for this trip, and so I'm on airplane mode. I don't have any service unless I'm here at my grandparents' place, so I'm feeling very much more removed, and I love that, honestly. I just think that it was such an eye-opening experience being able to be on semester at sea and forced to not have any service, and I loved that. I loved it so much. I'm just glad I did this on this trip too. Just no data. If I'm at the beach, I'm just at the beach and there's nothing else. I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna sleep for a long time because I have not gotten a lot of sleep recently in the last few days, especially last night. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Well, it is bright and early. I think it's like 7:30, but I do know the boys and dad left to go golfing at the butt crack of dawn. So it's just my mom and me for the next 4 hours. I don't know what the plan is, but hopefully I need to get some work done, because that's definitely what I need to do, but we'll see. I'm just gonna kind of let myself lay here for a while because I need to just chill until it starts getting warm and the sun starts coming up, because the sun's coming up over there. And pretty soon it'll be too warm for me to be here in my sweatshirt, so.
kids like to
And I win.
Oh, good for you.
So we are headed to the beach. This time we have boogie boards. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if the waves are going to be super big, but hopefully. Well, that was fun. I definitely remember those waves being bigger when the last couple of years I feel like they've been smaller here, but it's kind of in a cove, so maybe it's just smaller. But somebody built a massive sandcastle thing over here. Like, this is huge. It's a whole village. Oh, that's a turtle. Oh, wow. That is fancy. So this is the pool here. This is like the kind of adult pool. It's this big ring, and then there's this hot tub in the middle, and then way over there is the kiddie pool. That's Ben. It is like 7:45 in the morning, and we are going to go to Vallarta Adventures today, which is a big place where they have a bunch of different adventures, ziplining, boat to a different island, whatever. We've done a lot of them over the years, but wow, the sun is, okay. This time we are boating 45 minutes over to a different island, and we're just kind of hanging out there all day. There's snorkeling and hammocks to lounge in, and buffet and activities and stuff like that. So yeah, Vallarta Adventures. It's really fun. We've done so many of them over the years, so I'm sure this one will be also very good. Oh, okay. In we go. Here we are in the back of the car. Super cozy.
The kids wanted to go on this.
There's our boat. Here we are at Las Quintas. That's a big bird.
Not much worse than the one. Yeah, it's the grass cooking.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows.
That was fun.
Yeah?
I got drunk in a paddle for me. So I was like Cleopatra.
Oh yeah, just like that.
I almost didn't get out of the water.
Hi Ben. Wow. John looks less steady. Oh, please fall in. That would be great content. Hi Dad. We just did snorkeling, and now we're out here kayaking. Fellow expert paddler. Oh! John just, oh, that's a big bird. It's really nice. Grandma and Grandpa went kayaking too, which I was not expecting, but that was fun.
How are the paddleboard muscles working for you? The legs, you got the balance thing?
Oh, that's lit. Stop making it rocky. That's pretty fun. That is so cute. Hi Ben.
Oh, hey.
Look at this pretty buffet. We got mac and cheese, chicken, rice, cheese, bread, brownie, and some kind of powdered sugary chip thing.
I have to, I'll get me in it later. Did anybody get ribs? Only me.
Grandma loves ribs. She loves ribs.
Yeah, you could want to run up there and...
There's water coming in. It's so wet. Well, that was a very interesting boat ride back. We sat on one side, which ended up being the side. Whoa, that was the next one. The next one. Okay. So, back in the back of the car, we sat on the side of one side of the boat, and on the way back, that was the side that was getting pelted by seawater the whole time. And then we had to switch to a different boat, so we moved to the other side so we wouldn't be getting hit by seawater. Except then we changed directions, so then we were still again getting hit by seawater the whole time. So that was fun. It's like 7 p.m. now. After we came back from Vallarta Adventures, we went in the pool and the hot tub for a little bit. I'm actually looking a little bit pink. The back of my arm is a little bit, you can't hardly tell. But took a shower and I'm out here just working on stuff. You can see this beautiful sky in the reflection. It's so pretty. We're eating dinner here again tonight. I'm trying to decide if I should split this into 2 vlogs or if I have enough footage. Should I just do 1? If I split into 2, then I could have, you know, a video for this week and a video for next week. I don't know. I'm trying to decide.